The brand new Timbuctoo Climate and Careers Institute hosted its first group of students this summer in the Adirondacks. State Senator Zelnor Myrie tells us why this is such an important issue.
This is such an amazing opportunity for our students from all over the city to get out of an urban environment, go up to the Adirondacks, and learn about what great environments the state has to offer and the opportunities that we have to save the state. These are our future leaders. These are the people that are going to save our planet. I'm so excited for these kids who are going to be learning more about the environment, how they can save the planet, and the paths that they have to do that.
The program, a joint effort between the SUNY College of Environmental Science and Forestry and CUNY Medgar Evers College, will bring students from New York City to the ESF campus in Wanakina. Associate Professor of Medgar Evers College, Wallace Ford, elaborates on what the program consists of.
All of us need to get smart, is what it is. We do things that we know are not particularly helpful, whether it's buying gasoline-powered cars and flying in jet planes. But of course, we need to get from here to there. But we don't make the demands on our elected officials. We don't make the demands on our government and our regulatory agencies to change the way things are done.
When it comes to certain communities, people of color face a lot of hardships and are also impacted by climate change. This program offers an outlet for them to explore the wilderness and history of the Adirondacks and makes them imagine a career in science. Adjunct professor in public administration, LaShawn Alexander, tells us more.
We are really looking for young people who are interested in environmental justice, who are interested in science, who are interested in public policy. So it doesn't necessarily have to be specific to a scientist or a public policy, but someone who wants to see change in their neighborhood, in their communities, and really impact the world.
Assemblywoman of District 22 and climate activist Mikael Salaj was also in attendance, and she wants public officials to do their job when it comes to climate change.
It's so important that as communities we stand up and call for policy changes, making sure that we not only reduce emissions and push for clean energy, but we change the impacts that are happening to our communities. Calling for better housing, calling for, reduction in asthma cases. These are little tangible things that can impact us today and that we can all work together.
So what do we look for in the near future when it comes to handling climate change? What steps need to be taken? What do we need to do? Chemistry and environmental science professor Derek Skeet tells us more about the effects of what could happen if we don't get on board soon.
Climate change is real and it's not happening in 1 week or 1 month or 1 year. What was considered to be a 1 in a 100-year activity is now going to be like a 1 in 10-year activity. We have sea temperature rising, we have sea level rising, we have polar ice caps melting much rapidly. We need to get into the minds of our young students because they are the future, they are the change agents, and we are the ones who can help to usher them, but eventually they are the ones who's going to make all the changes when it comes to addressing the issue of climate change.
For more information on climate change, you can visit their website at www.adirondackcouncil.org. Reporting for BronxNet, Shanel Thompson.